Who will listen to me? Who will listen to the poor people? Who will listen to the unprivileged people? If, oh my God, understand. The country is not going to become great because of rich people. We will take the responsibility simultaneously. 60, the people are sitting here, 60, around 100. 60 or 100 village will be great simultaneously. Everything. Whenever we talk about development, greatest, we only think about infrastructure, AI, technology, economical growth. Then who will think about the base foundation? First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this serendipity opportunity to opine my words among all of the members of parliament. Yes.
Yes.
Today, you all are the members of parliament because you are going to decide that what we have to do for
Absolutely, yes.
Let's start from the foundation of India. Once upon a time, so many times I have gone to visit my hometown. I was going in a forest area towards a waterfall. Then our throat got dry and we needed water. Then we saw a house. Then we went there and we asked for water. They told me go and take from the well, and we took. Then I tried to interact with that family and that members. Then I told them that are you taking the benefits of government? Government is providing you, sir. In Jharkhand, there is a Maiya Samaj Yojana. Government provides 2.5 thousand every ladies and free ration. Then they were telling that, what are you talking? Government only comes for vote, and they again never tell that how to take benefits. That time my friends was completely, oh my God, what the hell is going on? And then I decided that I will take action for that. And from that day, I have decided that I will start from the foundation of Bharat. And I will make every village of my hometown. I will start from there and I will make every village of my nation great. And yes, you individually have to take the responsibilities to make your nation great. Because you know, when you will take the responsibility, we will take the responsibility simultaneously. 60, the people are sitting here, 60, around 100. 60 or 100 villages will be great simultaneously. And that will directly affect our nation to be great. Often we think that my country is great. Often we think that. Let's come to the second foundation. Let's come to the government school. What is the situation? The teachers talk about discipline, but they themselves are not disciplined. They are busy in the private school students in tuition. And the other hand, about the hospitals, the common people are suffering. None of the doctors are coming to save them, to treat them. And they are busy in their private clinic. Same on the government doctors who are doing like this. And let's come to the government sector of Bharat, except defense sector. I respect defense sector. That the defense sector is the greatest sector of India in all over the world. But when we talk about the government sector of India, the people are listenable when they are capable to pay money under the table. What the hell is going on? Who will listen to me? Who will listen to the poor people? Who will listen to the unprivileged people? If, oh my God, understand. The country is not going to become great because of rich people. The country will be great because of everybody's.
Absolutely.
How many people are from village here?
Of course. Everybody almost.
You can feel the pain which I am saying. Can you feel? Yes. Have you seen? Yes. Yes, this is the real pain. Now if I talk about the roof of the Bharat, of course my country is powerful. Atal Setu, the longest bridge of India. Metro in Delhi, the largest in the world network. Everything. Whenever we talk about development, greatest, we only think about infrastructure, AI, technology, economical growth. Then who will think about the base foundation? If foundation is weak, how will you build the building? How will you build the building, my guys? The people of India, why are you not listening? Why are you not understanding this? Why? Let's decide yourself. Say to your brain that I'm going to say to myself that definitely I will contribute myself to make this nation great. Say to yourself from today, from now, every day. Often we think about that, about old India. Take inspiration from them, the power of India. An Indian can break the ego of mountain, Dashrath Manji. An Indian can break the ego of world by launching missile, APJ Abdul Kalam. And yes, an Indian can break the ego of British's Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. And of course, you can also break the ego of make the chain which is disturbing you, making our nation great. Break the chain.
Absolutely, yes.
Be honest for your nation. How we can remove corruption? Being honest. You are going to be the future of this nation. Individually, in every sector, you will be the employee. You will be the boss. You be the honest. Then you will make your employee honest, and you will make your nation honest and great. Start from the base. If I am going to make myself perfect, my neighbor will think about me. However, he is feeling jealous, but he will think about me. Yes, he is perfect. I have to be perfect. And then his neighbor will think about him that I also have to be perfect. And then everybody will be perfect. And then our nation will be automatically great. So thank you very much, guys. It was JK signing in front of you all. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Wow and wow. So, dear MPs, did you understand that? कीमत आपको चुकानी है. You have to start by yourself and from yourself, guys. Come on.